Hey all you Honda fans, in cartoon form, we have a Choro-Q of the first generation Honda Civic. This is, I believe, these images are of the RS, the sport version, I guess. And I pulled that up because this one seems to have those vents in the hood. Although maybe they're on all of them. Anyways, this is number 4. I believe this is a line of Choro-Qs called Kodawari. At least that's what I find on the internet. And they seem to all have printed on windshield wiper blades and some registration tags. Wow, so this is definitely old because the plastic just like fractured easily. Alright, let's get this out. In fact, the packaging says 2004. Okay. So here's a front view of this thing. There's always cat hair here. Alright, yeah, that's not bad. Looks pretty good. Here's a foreshortening view. Definitely squished down. It's got the stamped steel wheels. Now, I pulled up 2 rear views because this rear bumper looks a little bit more like this one with the little black bumperette. So maybe that's a JDM market, but look at this one here where it's got 2 dual exhausts and what looks like a, is that Connecticut? Some sort of US license plate. But it's got external hinges for the trunk as well. So a lot of changes apparently. Maybe it's a Gen 2, I don't know, but I thought it was interesting. Alright, so this is a nice red color that Choro-Q did here. It's not metallic though, it's just a plain red. Got silver here, we got silver around the window molding, and then around the lights as well. The steel wheels are cool because they're black in the middle but silver on the outside. Nice texture here, and there is an RS molded in, just not painted. But the headlights are painted, and then you can see a little silver trim going around the grills. The Honda badge there, plain license plate. Silver and black bumper with these black bumperettes, but unfortunately not enough paint there. I'm going to have to, well, these are actually turn signals, but they're not painted orange, so that's unfortunate. But the windshield does have the wiper blades, the chrome trim, and then the registration or some sort of other stickers there. Yeah, the hood, it's got the power bulge and some vents here, and then these 2 side vents. Okay, this side, oh, I didn't even notice there's a little marker indication there, but no paint. And then the fuel filler here. Nice tires there. Okay, taillights look good. You know, surrounded in silver. This little bump here. The Honda is raised, same with Civic. And then the silver paint there. There's even silver rain rails here up on the top. And they actually are on the real photograph. Never knew that before. Okay. So, yep, it says 2004 and your standard base here in clear plastic. So, you can see the transparency of the windows up top. But they generally look black from the top-down view. You might see the motor there, but this is a really bright photo booth, so yeah, most of the time I don't think you'd see it. Alright, so let's compare it to 1/64 scale and some Choro-Qs. So for a 1/64, I do have this 1200 RS by Konami, and so it also has those side vents on the hood. And a nice little colorful interior there. Well, it's got a steering wheel with a different color. But it's got the black rub strips or whatever on the top, or rain strips. I'm not sure what they really are. Okay. Well, anyways, they're both good models. Just depends if you like realistic or cartoons. Speaking of some cartoon cars, let's pull out some other ones. So I have a, let's see, Mitsubishi Lancer 1600 GSR. Seems like it might be from the same era. I also have this Honda, I think it's an N360. That says right on the side of the door. And then I have a Toyota 11, or Corolla 11. And I think that's from the same collection because it has the printing on the windshield and the same type of sticker on the back as well. And the last one I'm going to pull out is an RX-3. So, yeah, just some Japanese cars from a different time. Alright, let's get this guy spinning on its own. Suppose we'll pull out Edna here. Old Edna pumping some gas at the Texaco. Alright, well, another interesting ChoroQ. You know, it's nice to have the first Civic in both 164, but also now in cartoon form. What I'm now noticing from this view is the tire stance isn't bad. It's not as gappy as a lot of other ChoroQs. You know, the tire and the fender opening. So I don't even need to modify this one. I'm pretty happy with the wheels because they're already two-tone. And I'm happy with the stance, so I guess that's it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.